Welcome to my vlog. Ang vlog po natin ay tungkol sa unboxing. Bubuksan natin yung regalo ng isang ninang niya, which is ito yung i-unboxing natin.
Say what you wanna say to me now.
Unboxing tayo ng regalo ni Christine Kate. Ayan, sa kanyang binyag. Ito, guys, may regalo. So, ayan, mayroong message. You are so loved, little treasure. May your video and yung wala ising video. Diba mo yun guys? So, bali from Ninang Mira. Ayan. Kay Ninang Mira galing ito guys. So, hindi ko na babasahin yung yung message niya kasi nagdudugo yung ilong. So, ayan. Guys, excited na ako. And black to. Ano yan sauce yan? Ito yung house and black.
Panaw gala di dili.
Ayan guys.
Picture mo.
Unboxing!
Yan.
Wow! Barbie!
Stroller. Ay anong woman?
My goodness! Wow! Wow!
Gendo.
So ayan guys, ito yung kanyang regalo ni Ninang Mira. Ayan. So, ang pangalan po nito is Gadget. Joke. Chin, nag-extra ka man? Gusto mo ma-extra sa malabas mo? So, ayan. Oh, stroller!
Okay.
Ay, stroller. Wow! My goodness! It's... Wow! Refrigerator po. Refrigerator po ang regalo. Ayun, wala ko na ni baby, oh!
Wow!
Wow! Refrigerator po. Refrigerator. Ay, hindi po pala. Washing machine po itong regalo.
Bulon, Christiana na si baby girl.
Ayan, regalo.
Wow!
Wow! Guys, ito kasi, ito, ginagawa. Ay, actually, hindi ako marunong ito. Ito po ay, ito po ay, ito po, binibenta po ito sa ano. Magbabahan po sa pangyo. Walang kilo nito.
Ano, sige inakot ko si baby. Ano yan?
So yan guys, ito po, salamat Ninang Mira. Yan, so si Ninang Mira po.
Ayan, kaya ni Mira.
Nag-aarap kayo, ako nag-vlog eh.
Karaulong na kamo ito.
Ayan, refrigerator po ito.
Baby rockers usually swing gently back and forth, while little ones lie back and relax. This rocking motion can really soothe babies. They normally just need a quick nudge from mom or dad to get the movement going. Research shows this motion reminds babies of their time in the womb. Baby rockers advantage. Rocking a child helps establish a healthy heart rate as well as good blood circulation. The rocking motion helps the child feel secure and therefore has a calming effect. Rocking can also help warm a child who is cold. By rocking a child, we are fulfilling his social emotional needs.